In today's video, I am going to teach you how to upload and change images on Wix. To get started, open your site in the Wix editor. This is where you can make visual changes to your website and preview how everything will look before you publish it. Once your editor is open, go to the page where you want to update an image. This can be an existing image that is already on the page, or a new image that you want to add. If you want to replace an image that is already there, click directly on that image. This will bring up the image controls so you can edit it. If you want to add a new image instead, click the Add Elements icon, which is the plus symbol in the editor. From there, insert an image onto your page so you have something ready to customize. After selecting the image you want to work with, click the Change Image button in the floating menu. This opens the media options for that image and lets you decide where the new image will come from. At this point, you can either upload a new file from your computer or use one that is already stored in your Wix media library. To upload a new file, click Upload Media in the top left corner. Then choose the image file from your computer. This is useful if the image has not been added to your site before. If the image is already in your Wix account, you can save time by selecting it from your site files instead. This is a good option if you reuse brand images, banners, product photos, or other visuals across your site. Once you have selected the image you want, click Choose Image to apply the change. Wix will update the image on your page right away, so you can immediately see how it looks in your layout. Take a moment to make sure the image fits well with the surrounding content and appears the way you want it to. When everything looks good, click Publish to make the change live on your website. This is the final step that pushes your updated image to your public site so visitors can see it. That covers everything you need to know.